When I'm on my private yacht enjoying the ocean air, I can rest assured knowing that my LaVivid hair system will not come flying off. Hey everybody, John Colbeck here talking about the going on 2 months review for the Mirage hair system by LaVivid Hair. And as you can see, it's holding up very nice. I love the messy look. I know a lot of people like to style their hair and do things like that. I like the look where I just got out of bed and it's a complete mess. I love it. However, I style my hair and it looks very nice. I was on a boat in the previous video, you could see that, and the boat was going at a very fast speed. This did not rip off. There was no problems with that. I went to a hot tub. No issues with the hair with the hot tub. I even went swimming for the first time with the hair system on. I went to a pool, a public pool with chlorine and other people. Let's just say I was really nervous because I was afraid I was going to jump into the water and my hair was just going to float to the top. Actually, it didn't. It stayed on. It didn't come off. So there you have it. I really put this hair system through the ringer just to see how it would react to different scenarios, situations, and that aside, the fact that it's extremely durable and the fact that it's strong and it's a great piece and it looks fantastic, I have to rate the Mirage hair system by LaVivid Hair a perfect 10 out of 10, and that's after 2 months of wearing it. So I don't know how they're going to top this one. I really don't. I feel this is one of their best pieces. The skin is very thin, very lightweight, very breathable. You have to be very careful with it when you clean it, but I haven't really run into any issues, to be honest with you. You just got to take your time. And boy, it's just a fantastic piece. I would say definitely try the Mirage for yourself. That's it. Thank you everybody for tuning in.